shopping and hopping in and around South City Mall area, looking for a more reasonable eating option without willing to compromise on the food taste, I may have something for you. Let's get inside. Amritsari fish tikka. Next up is a mutton galawati kebab. Let's look at this. I like the fact that this has a luster inside. It's not dry, so you can see that sheen shining. So you're getting a mutton galawati along with lacha paratha, and this is priced at 240 rupees. 40 ki 49? 49. This is priced at 249 rupees. Let's give it a try. This is good. Let me try it with a little bit of paratha over here. If you're a fan of galawati kebab and you're looking for places in Kolkata, budgeted options, I think this is one thing which you can definitely try. Aman, how has your experience been with the starters?
This was really good. I really liked the chicken starter, the N18 special
Oh my
kebab.
God,
It was
that
really
is
good.
amazing.
And also the mutton galawati kebab. It was really tender and went well with the paratha.
Alright, so next up we have the special biryani combo where you're getting a portion of biryani, chicken biryani. This is the piece. Barista এতটাই সবার যায় নাকি আমাকে এক্সট্রা করে দিয়েছো? যাচ্ছে তো? Great. And you get a portion of chicken chop. So this is the size of the chop. And some gravy. Let me just pour some gravy into this. Already, as you can see, this is a pretty rich rice. It's not going to be very dry, but still, since there is chop, I'm going to pour some gravy. And let me start with the aloo first. Now this is a pretty big size of aloo and it is soft. Alright. First bite is going to be with the aloo. It's flavorful. The biryani is fine. It's not going to be too oily, neither is it going to be too dry. So it's got a good balance of dryness as well as richness. And this is the chicken. My second bite will be with the chicken. Once again, the price might be very similar to the ones which you get at the roadside, but not the quality. Be it the rice, be it the aloo, be it the chicken, as you can make out from the quality and the size as well as, of course, the look, it's going to be very different from what you get usually at the roadside places. So do not think that because the price is this way, it's going to be similar to what you get at roadside. It's not a surprise that this particular restaurant is owned by 3 partners who are all passed out of IHM. So I think it's a no surprise that you get good quality stuff at very reasonable, which is the reason for the introduction of this particular video which I did. All the items, it won't be very rich. Alright, so it's got a good balance of richness as well as homeliness. So I don't think you'll be disappointed when you're trying out the food over here. Ankita, how has your experience been?
এখন আমি খাচ্ছি বিরিয়ানি I'm not a biryani lover but it's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
So you normally like your biryani to be more tadwala, more rich.
Yes.
It is going to be something in between. মানে this is not going to be an absolute যেভাবে street style করা হয়
Definitely.
আর বাড়ির মাঝখানে আছে. So it's going to cater to a different type of an audience.
Yes.
And what about the starters?
Starters I like the fish.
Great.
It was so good. I liked it.
Nice. The next combo which we have is a kadai paneer and a butter naan combo. So you get 2 pieces of butter naan and an assortment of paneer, and this is priced at 129 rupees only. Would you believe it? Let's dig in. It's piping hot, spicy.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearrange.
We have the final bits of the menu over here. So we have some more butter naan along with some murg makhani as well as mutton rogan josh.
Lalmas. Sorry.
बोलिए सबका Ready? 1, 2, 3. As well as some lal mas. Let's have it with the murg makhan wala first. Makhni. This is a very creamy, rich, buttery gravy. The first bit of naan which I had, I found it to be a little underdone. So I requested them to make the next round to be a little more crispy. So I'm happy with what I'm getting next. Now we're going to be moving on to some lal mas. Just check these out. One thing I can tell you, if you're a vegetarian food fan, you might want to miss this place because the vegetarian items over here won't blow you away. But the non-veg items over here, especially that chicken kebab and the biryani, is really good. And now I'm moving on to some of the mutton. So I'm told this is an authentic lal mas. Let's give it a try. This is really good. Very good stuff. They haven't made it too dilute, so that is really good. And the mutton pieces, since there are 3 big pieces, you'll be fortunate enough to get at least 1 or 2 of them to be good. And you can see the size. This is a very well made preparation. Final feedbacks. Kash, how has your experience been?
এক্সপিরিয়েন্সটা খুবই ভালো হয়েছে, মানে চিকেনটা স্টার্টারটা খুব ভালো ছিল, ফিশটাও ভালো ছিল, আমার কালোটি কাবাবটাও ভালো লেগেছে। আমার এই যে মুগ মাখনিটা আছে ওটা আমার খুব একটা আমার কিছু লাগলো না। বাকি লাল মাছটা ইজ গুড, ওভারঅল খুব ভালো এক্সপিরিয়েন্স এটা। এই প্রাইস রেঞ্জে ইটস আ ভেরি গুড ডিল।
So that was our experience at the number. Third time I saw it. So that was our experience at the number 18 restaurant. The one thing I liked in particular about this restaurant is that the owners know about their food. When I had the first interaction with them, they were, although it's a multi-cuisine restaurant, they themselves mentioned that the Chinese is nothing to write home about. So we did not include any Chinese items on our menu today. They were very positive about 3 particular dishes. One was the biryani combo, one was the lal mas, and the third one was the chicken kebab. And all 3 was stunningly good. Everything else was pretty average. So I would not recommend you all to travel so much and try out the other items. If you're staying far, come only for these 3 items. And if you're living around, then you can come and try out any of the items around. If you're planning to visit this place or have visited the place already, do drop in your experiences and let me know how you liked today's video. If you did, do share it with your friends and family. Until next time, this is me wrapping up from... कौन सा एरिया है ये? Something like नहीं क्या है ये?
যাদবপুর যাদবপুর
ज़्यादा
আনওয়ার শাহ রোড।
Until next time, this is me wrapping up from Prince Anwar Shah Road. Cheers.